Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We are at the Park Street Penthouse East, Unit 303. Do a quick video tutorial. When you get here, the login that you're going to be looking for is that CGNVM-9190. The password is 2511-6801-7216, as you see there. Now, just in case you're not able to connect, the modem is right here to the left or right of the television. That's in this box right here. If you need to unplug it, you can unplug it and restart. Now, on the back of it, right here, you'll also see where it says what it is. So it's the CGNVM-9190, and you can see the passcode right there, 2511-6801-7216. So that's the information you're going to put in. For whatever specific reason, I was not able to get the 5G to connect and work. And I tried multitudes of times, so for whatever specific reason, it's not active and non-functioning. So if you have any further questions trying to connect to the internet, utilizing the Wi-Fi that's here, you can reach out to us. The landline phone number in the office, it's 208-634-0030. And just hope you're having a fantastic time while you're here in McCall. Staying at the Park Street Penthouse East. Cheers.